We're going to be showing you how to set up your Corsair Vengeance gaming PC. First, set the system on its side. Remove the 4 thumb screws holding the glass panel in place, then remove the glass panel. Remove the shipping foam. Replace the glass panel and replace the thumb screws. Plug the included power cable into the rear of your PC and switch the power supply on. Be sure to plug the other end of the cable into the wall. Plug your keyboard and mouse USB cables into USB ports on the back of your PC. If your monitor uses a DisplayPort cable, plug it into one of the DisplayPort ports. Make sure to use a certified DisplayPort cable to ensure quality. If your monitor or VR headset uses an HDMI cable, plug it into the HDMI port. Make sure to use an HDMI cable certified for 18 gigabit operation to ensure quality. To connect speakers to your PC, first determine the type of speaker system you're connecting. If you're just connecting a 2 or 2.1 system, plug it into the indicated jack. For more complex systems, this diagram will show you which ports to connect the speaker sets to. If you're going to use a wired internet connection, connect the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on the back of your PC. If you're going to use a wireless internet connection, connect the included Wi-Fi adapter into a high-speed USB port. Your Corsair Vengeance gaming PC also features headphone and microphone jacks, as well as additional USB ports on the top for connecting peripherals, storage, or the included Wi-Fi adapter. And that's it! Enjoy your new Corsair Vengeance gaming PC.